Hello, my name is Rhys. I'm in 4th grade, and this is the R3ptar XX. If you don't understand anything I'm saying, you can always look at the Ren slides. So if something previously I said you didn't hear, you can always look.
Nope.
Goals. My goal of making Reptar was I wanted to make my first infrared robot, or any robot for that matter. This is my first robot, so yeah. Oh, I went backwards.
Yes, sure.
Build.
This would be great.
The inspiration for the Reptar is the snake. Obviously, you can tell it looks a lot like a snake. The fangs, the tongue, everything. That slide was kind of pointless. I had a couple of problems building the Reptar. I would always mess up the instructions, and I'd always have to go back and do it again. I thought when I was building, there were so many instructions. There was more than 90, so it was 108. Design. I chose the Reptar because it looks cool on the free instructions on the Lego homepage. There are other robots. This one wasn't the easiest. I didn't know that when I picked it. I would have picked the tracker if I knew that. But this one was cool. It was super hard. For me it was. That's why it took me more than 5 weeks to make. I used different static materials such as axles, beams, half pegs, and 3-meter friction pegs. So, yeah. Oh, the different electronics I used were the brick, obviously, large and medium motors, and an infrared sensor. That's this thing right here. Program. 18 times I had to recode my robot. I used different blocks, such as the move block, the wake block, sound blocks, which make this sound. You can kind of hear it makes that's a sound block. Okay. Test. After recoding and testing my robot every time, I knew something even more and more. Sometimes I didn't know that much more after I tested. I'm like, where do I start to fix it? But sometimes I knew exactly what I did. The biggest time I failed was probably when my Reptar was on the table. Reptar was on the table, and then it fell off the table, and I had to rebuild the entire neck. That was really bad. Oh yeah, how I fixed that was I rebuilt the neck. I tried making it better. It ended up the same, but yeah. Rethink. If I were to make the Reptar better and I had more time, I would make the controller more easier to use instead of this, because there's different button combinations I don't know. Even I don't know. Yeah. Play. I'll demonstrate. So, this button right here, move. This button right here, backwards. These two combinations, diagonal, that's to, oh sorry, that is the wrong button combination. This is to bite. That makes the hissing sound. This is to retract. Rattle. That's to turn backwards and turn. This is, I didn't do this one. So yeah. Any questions? Yeah.
So you said it took you a long time to build because you hadn't built a robot before. What did you learn from that experience?
Well, first of all, I was kind of lying. That's kind of just an excuse for me taking a long time and lollygagging. But yes, I tried my best, and what I learned from it was kind of like the first side. If you don't succeed at first, try again. Because I got really impatient with it, like when it fell off the table. I had to rebuild it all again. It was a hassle. Now I know that you're always going to complete it in the end. And so, yes. I don't know why I keep making it go forwards. Any other questions?
So did you decide, I'm sorry, you should raise your hand.
Yeah.
Did you decide what things you wanted it to do and then program those things to a button?
Well, he helped me. At first I was just doing, it's hard to explain. With the brick, I was coding directly onto the brick instead of that remote control. And I would make it move in sequence instead of controlling it. Now it can bite if I press a button. On that, all I could do is code it to bite. It would bite eventually. So I did get to choose what to do. Well, not so much because there was only limited things I knew, but I could code the button combinations anywhere I want. So that was fun. Any other questions? Zane?
Oh, yeah. How long how many things did it take you to make it? Alright, how many
Lessons?
courses? Yeah.
Like 9. It was really long.
And you just said over 5.
Over 5, because I couldn't think of it then. But any other questions after that? Yes?
What was your favorite part of this build?
Definitely making the infrared set, like programming or building.
Which one?
Okay, probably making the infrared sensors on there, because there's a lot of customization that I could do. Like I could make it bite. Also, I could code the button combination. Yes.
What was your
Last
least favorite
Last
part of the
one.
build?
The tail. It's boring. I don't know.
Not the neck. Was the neck
I
fun?
like the neck. The neck was to steer.
What about
No, that's what that was it.
Hey, give her a buzz.
Yeah.
Very awkward ending.